Leo, hello, and welcome to Gina Moon. This is your weekly tarot reading starting this new week of January the 8th up until January the 15th. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into your reading. Remember that this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates. It could be you towards somebody or somebody here towards you. So if you feel the need to reverse the roles, then go ahead and do so. And you are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. And you have here, it says conflict, okay? And it does relate to earth, which is the element of earth, okay? And it says here, conflict, wait, do nothing, and neutralize disharmony or a misunderstanding that is happening at this time. And even a confrontation. This situation will clear up soon, so just be patient, okay? So again, you might be kind of inside a conflict right now, or if you are headed towards one and you may not know it just yet, it's telling you, just wait, do nothing. Don't participate in the conflict. Don't try to create more disharmony. Neutralize disharmony by doing nothing. It says here, there is a misunderstanding at hand. A lot of times when there is a misunderstanding, it's because of miscommunication, or one person perceived, what the other person was saying in a different type of way, perhaps because they were going through something at that time. So again, right now it just says this situation will clear up soon, so just be patient. And as you can see here in this image, there are bulls. It's like 3 bulls, okay, that are kind of going against each other. So yeah, maybe for some of you guys, a bull represents something, okay? And that is what you have here, conflict. So again, don't get involved in the conflict. There is some kind of misunderstanding. Let's see what this is all about here for you. What is the situation pertaining to? What is this all about? All right, so let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and spread out all of these energies so that you can see them clearly. And then I'm going to clarify each and every position for you. And some of you guys may be dealing with the sign of Capricorn is what I see here. Could be Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio as well. What else do we have here? Leo energy at the bottom of the deck. You have here the star, could be Aquarius energy as well. Whatever sign this is here at the bottom of the deck, you have the star. It's going to heal, okay? This situation is calling for you to be patient, to take a step back from creating more conflict or heading towards conflict, okay? And again, some kind of healing will come about, okay, in a natural, unforeseen type of way. For others of you guys, this could possibly be that kind of energy of internal conflict. Perhaps if you're not having this conflict with another person or a situation on the outside, it could be an internal conflict based on perhaps something here that you are perceiving as one thing when it's really the other. And what it requires for you to do is to heal yourself, okay? There's some kind of self-healing, that kind of energy of trusting yourself, okay? For others of you guys, it could also be the energy of that kind of stardom energy. Maybe you want to be a star, you want to put yourself out there, you're ready to put yourself out there, but you're feeling internally conflicted in some kind of way, shape, or form, okay? Again, heal that part of you that perhaps has gone unhealed until now. Here it does have to do with some kind of a soulmate union, soulmate connection. This is a situation at hand. So the situation pertains to some kind of a soulmate bond. It could be between you and a person, you and an idea, you and a place, a situation, whatever this is, but it's a soulmate union, a soulmate connection that is meant to be. It's meant to mend itself. It's meant to heal, okay? Now here in your challenge position, you have the Ace of Swords. So with the Ace of Swords challenging you during this time, this is basically saying that you don't have all the information, you don't have all the truth, and you don't have all the clarity. It might be challenging for you to communicate towards somebody. It might be difficult for you to really kind of, perhaps tell a person how you feel or communicate with them, or it could just be a little bit challenging for the communication itself to really come about between you and someone, okay? But right now in your challenge position, you don't have all the clarity, you don't have all the information, so don't make abrupt decisions because there's still something lingering, okay, beneath the surface. Now with the Four of Pentacles here, yeah, so this basically, is pertaining to the fact that right now you do desire to open up to something new, but you're kind of finding resistance. I feel like you're very closed off, whether some of you guys are closed off emotionally, you're not able to really express yourselves that much, okay? I feel like for some of you guys, this is what's happening. You have a lot to say. Perhaps you have feelings for a person, or you have certain, thoughts that you want to express to someone, whether it's love or not, okay? But you're finding it hard to kind of be open to that, okay? You're finding it hard to release those feelings or that communication or those emotions, okay? For others of you guys, I do see that you do desire to focus in on your money, your pentacles. You're focused in on saving your money. You're not focused in on wanting to waste money, okay, at this particular time, okay, if that's related to finances. Now, I see here that the devil reverse is basically the root of the issue. So the root of the issue is the fact that something here has been rather toxic. Even though you are already cutting off that toxic energy, cutting off that toxicity, or some kind of dynamic where it wasn't really healthy for you to get involved into the situation. Okay, I do see here that the root of the issue was something that perhaps wasn't too good for you, for the person, for the situation. Again, it could have been manipulation. It could have been, perhaps addictions to whatever it is that is not healthy for you and for the connection. But I do see that somebody here is starting to realize that this is not what is going to help you thrive, okay? I feel like there's this essence where you're realizing the root of the issue and you're wanting to cut off anything that doesn't serve you, okay? Now, in the recent past, I see here with the Ten of Pentacles, it either pertains to you being involved in a marriage, perhaps you were involved in a serious connection, or for some of you guys, it could be that in the recent past, you were in some kind of situation where it was long-term, okay? Something here that perhaps pertains to finances, right? Financial freedom, financial stability, that kind of thing, okay? And for others, it could have been a business, some kind of a business partnership that involved a lot of money. Coming towards you in your opportunity, look at that. In the near future, you have the Ace of Wands. So with the Ace of Wands coming towards you in the near future, and this is also part of your opportunity, it's a brand new beginning. You're going to head towards a passionate brand new beginning, a passionate brand new start. So if right now, you're kind of overthinking things, just remember, in the near future, you're going to get a chance to open up a new door, okay? You're going to feel passionate again. You're going to feel that spark of joy, whether this is for a connection, or for a project, whatever this is, you're going to feel that passion in this situation once again, okay? That kind of energy of sparks flying. Now, here with the Page of Cups, in your subconscious thoughts, you do have feelings for someone. I feel like you are either attracted to somebody, you want to express yourself, you want to express how you feel, that kind of thing. But I also feel like someone is trying to help you kind of uncover some information that will guide you to the truth, okay? However, I'm also sensing that for some of you guys, this pathway that this person is trying to guide you towards also has to do with something that you have to accept, that perhaps you made a wrong decision in the past, and that will require acceptance from your part. And that's the challenge here. The fact that perhaps, you taking advice from somebody, or you letting somebody guide you towards a new set of information that will help you, okay, towards this new pathway, it's going to require some kind of acceptance. Okay, yes, you know what? Everybody makes mistakes. Perhaps that choice that you made in the past, it wasn't the right one, but guess what? Now you're able to renew this energy with something new, okay? Now here with this High Priestess, I do see that this is how one person sees the other. Whether you see them this way, they see you this way, okay? Take it as it resonates. Could be vice versa, but this is how I feel more so. It's like this individual knows that you have a lot inside you that you haven't expressed, okay? They kind of see you as very quiet, very reserved, like you haven't really said anything, you haven't really expressed much, but they do intuitively feel that there's a lot going on within you that you still haven't communicated, okay? Now, I do also see here that your action advice has to do with the Wheel of Fortune. So look at that. Your action advice is wait for the right timing. Don't rush the process. Don't rush yourself. Try to not put pressure on yourself, okay? This is all about to letting things unfold in a very natural kind of way. Because I do see that if you do allow things to unfold in a more natural way, then I do sense that it's going to bring good luck. Okay. Good luck is in your favor. Okay. So again, maybe this might not be the right moment. So just wait. Remember, you have here, wait and do nothing. Don't start any conflict. Don't get involved into any conflict, or, just don't get any conflict started, because you need to wait for a new set of information to come in. But it also requires acceptance from your part for some kind of decision that you made in the past that may not have been the right one, but now you're getting an opportunity to renew that energy. Okay. Now with the sun reverse here, so I do see here that there's still, again, lack of information. Okay. The final result is the fact that you still need to wait for this information to come to the light. Perhaps right now you're not feeling all that happy because you don't really know what to do. You might feel confused, but again, let this information come to the light. Okay. When the timing is right and appropriate. Let's go ahead and clarify why conflict is here as your dominant energy. So why is conflict here as your dominant energy? Why is this here as your dominant energy? You have here the Knight of Cups, as well as the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Wands reverse, and the Ace of Cups. Look at that. See? No conflict needed, okay? This is a brand new beginning also in love. Not only do you have a passionate brand new beginning, okay, the spark of joy here with the Ace of Wands, but you also have here this Ace of Cups, which is a brand new beginning in love, falling in love, opening up your heart to love, that kind of thing. I do see that there's a brand new beginning in love. There could be a brand new connection, a brand new love bond, the renewal of a love bond, but I do see that there's brand new energy here with regards to love. Okay. It could also be self-love. Okay. Self-love, self-care, you relearning how to love yourself again, how to love yourself first. A lot of times people that find it difficult to express their feelings towards another person, it's not because they don't love them or because, they are unsure of their emotions. It's because they need to first learn how to love themselves, communicate that love to themselves first, in order for them to then know how to communicate that love to another person on the outside. Again, this could be you towards somebody, somebody towards you. Take it as it resonates. But I do see that if you do wait, like I said, brand new love is on the horizon for you. I see a brand new person coming in, okay, offering you this cup of love. This person wants to get to know you. They want to explore you. They want to, kind of find out more about you, okay? You do see that this person has feelings and emotions, and they're getting ready to offer you something big, whether it's a lot of money for some of you guys, a new job. If this is career related, this person wants to offer you a genuine opportunity to make more money. If this is related to a relationship, related to romanticism, then this person has romantic feelings for you, and they do want commitment. They want to offer you some kind of long-term potential commitment. But again, you have to work on your self-esteem. You have to work on that energy there of believing in yourself again, okay? And if this is the other person, then somebody here needs to work on their self-esteem because they have a very low self-image, okay? It could also be coming across as controlling, manipulation, but that just means that that person feels like they're losing control within themselves. Therefore, they feel like they have to control you, the outcome, or the person on the outside, okay? Again, vice versa. It could be that way. Take it as it resonates. But this is what I have for you. We're going to jump into the extended reading to see who this person is, okay, that's coming towards you. I see brand new love, like I said. I see commitment as well. I do see healing as well, okay? A beautiful, loving bond, a soulmate union, soulmate connection. So in the extended reading, I'm going to go ahead and jump in to more so about what this person is thinking about you, their deeper feelings, thoughts, and emotions towards you, their next moves and actions towards you, okay? Also their subconscious thoughts about you that they are unaware of, okay? That perhaps they're kind of doing things here and there. They don't realize what they're doing because it's subconscious, okay? And we're going to end the reading also with any messages from Spirit. If you want to check that out, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you would like a psychic reading, you can check out the link to Psychic Source that is down in the description box below. I have partnered with Psychic Source so that you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes for free. Choose any psychic of your choice, chat with them online via my direct link that is down in the description box below, or you can also call them. The number will be shown when you click on the description link that is down below. And use my special code 26489 when you call them or when you chat with them. Again, the direct link to Psychic Source is down in the description box below.